Welcome back to the channel. I am the HVAC repair guy. Before I spent 2 decades educating homeowners through the HVAC for Beginners website, I cut my teeth as a nuclear power electrician. That background taught me that the smallest technical details often dictate long-term reliability. Today, we are diving into a high-stakes matchup in the ultimate category, pitting the EverRest Extreme Comfort GXV9 against the Heil H5A1V. These are top-tier, high-efficiency machines designed for maximum comfort, but as you will see, they take very different paths to get there. Before we look at the metal and the motors, we have to talk about the names on the cabinets. In the HVAC world, branding is often a shell game. You have flagship brands, which are the lead labels for a manufacturer, and you have subsidiary brands, which often share the same internal components. Both of our contenders today are subsidiaries. EverRest is manufactured by Daikin Global out of their massive Texas facility. Heil is part of the International Comfort Products family, which is owned by Carrier. When you buy a subsidiary, you are getting flagship engineering without the flagship price tag, but you have to know which features were kept and which were trimmed. Let's talk about the build, specifically cabinet protection. The EverRest GXV9 features a full louvered panel setup that protects the delicate aluminum fins. The Heil H5A1V uses a wire grill that allows airflow but leaves the fins more exposed. I almost always prefer louvered cabinets for protection. On the efficiency front, these systems act like dimmer switches thanks to variable speed compressors. The Heil H5A1V is the efficiency leader with a 21 SEER rating. The EverRest GXV9 comes in at 19 SEER. On paper, the higher SEER looks better, but the real-world utility difference between 19 and 21 is often negligible compared to installation quality. Speaking of installation, let's look at 2026 market pricing for these 3-ton systems. The EverRest GXV9 equipment only costs around $4,300, with a full installation near $10,800. The Heil H5A1V equipment costs about $4,950, with total installed price close to $12,400. No matter which one you choose, remember my golden rule for maintenance. Rinse your outdoor coils once a year with a gentle garden hose spray. It keeps head pressure down and saves your compressor. Warranty is where these two really diverge. Both offer a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee for compressor failure in the first decade. EverRest offers a lifetime guarantee on the compressor. Heil sticks to a standard 10-year compressor term. In this verdict, the EverRest Extreme Comfort GXV9 is my winner. Even though the Heil has a slightly higher efficiency rating, the EverRest offers superior cabinet protection and a vastly superior compressor warranty at a lower price point. When two subsidiaries go head-to-head, I go with the one that builds a tougher box and stands behind the heart of the machine for a lifetime. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.